I'd like to start it out by maybe, I think the students would really like to know where you got your first big break, or something that really made you feel like, this is for me. This is a career path for me. You want to start, Gregg?
Yeah. For me, the thing that told me this was for me was probably different than the thing that was actually success. But the thing, because it's rare that you get success on the first time out, but and this, you guys could apply this if you're interested in being a songwriter, producer. Is I found a band, just a local band. You have friends who are artists, and I just thought I could make their songs better. Nothing more, nothing less. I just had an opinion, and they were willing to listen to my opinion. The only reason they listened to it is because I was answering phones at a record company. They thought I had an in. They didn't realize that it was just about as low as you could go on the total with the record company. So I went in to a studio. They paid for it. And I fixed all their songs. I made the tempos, the lyrics, the melody, everything you do as a producer. And then they got a record deal at that record company that I answered phones at, Island Records. And that was when I realized I could do this. Because up until then, nobody cared if I could do it. Nobody thought I could do it, other than I could do it. And you realize at the end, your opinion is, that's it. The only difference between you and the next guy is your opinion. If your opinion's better, then good things will happen. So that project wasn't a success. But that was what made me realize I could do this.
I think there are two answers to that question. One is, what was your big break as it relates to the music industry, and what is the big break that relates to you and what advances your career? And I'd say my first big break was one of my best friends growing up was a kid named Scott Kramer, who just believed that I was writing good songs even though they were terrible, and was willing to go and tell friends and hang posters if we did gigs to just get people to come out. And I'd say the first big break is people who believe in your life. And that can either be your first manager, it can be your friend, it can be a music teacher. That to me had significantly more impact than the really terribly crappy contract that Gregg helped get for me, which is a true story at the beginning of my career.
By the way, I signed the same crappy contract.
and we both signed the same crappy contract, and we both lived to tell the story to you guys today, and have both, and I say this in the most humble way, achieved far better and far more than the person that gave us the really, really crappy contract. So I give you big props for that.
Thank you.
There's a lot to learn from those crappy contracts, too. Mike?
I got my big break. I went to school down here. I went to NYU. I'm from upstate. And I came back after school, after taking a year off, and I was writing songs, and I didn't really feel like an artist. I didn't feel like I belonged on stage. But I was writing songs with my friends, and we were poor living in Queens, and those friends that I was writing with happened to be the guys who were Great Big World. And so we wrote this song, Say Something, and it was just a song on a ukulele and guitar. And it sat around for years, and then it got placed on a TV show, and then all of a sudden it's got Christina and Aguilera on it. It happens kind of faster than you can really appreciate, but at that point I started taking meetings and people were like, what else are you working on? And I was like, wait, what? So I was writing, but not to send songs to other artists. So that was the point where I realized that you could write songs and other people could record them and they could, go the distance. I don't know why it didn't dawn on me before that. I feel like my dad told me for years about the Brill building where they used to write all the songs and pitch to artists, but it finally clicked then, and that was how I got in. And now I'm still here, which is, I'm very grateful to be speaking with you guys today about it. So.
So I think we all up here share a lifelong love of music. And I think at this point we probably all share the same feeling that we're not qualified to do anything else other than this. And I agree with Billy that your big breaks come from people that believe in you. I started collecting records as a 9-year-old. In high school, a friend of mine had DJ equipment but no records, and he came to me and said, hey, I got equipment. you have records, why don't you DJ with me, I'll teach you to DJ, which he did. He's an album officer. In college, I went to a small school in southern New Jersey, wound up sort of being a fairly popular DJ. One of my fraternity brothers happened to be Turkish, he graduated before me, and Ahmet Erdogan, who ran Atlantic Records, was a huge supporter of Turkish executives in Ireland. And he, unbeknownst to me, went really hard trying to get me an internship at Atlantic Records. I got a random phone call from the HR department at Atlantic Records offering me an interview. I had long hair, earrings, didn't own a suit. I cut my hair, took my earrings out, bought a suit, went to the interview, and everyone was dressed like Billy and Gregg, and they were like smoking in their office. And I begged for the internship, and the person that hired me said, put your earrings back in, lose the suit, I'll see you on Monday. And I've been in the music business now for 28 years thanks to that opportunity.